Hello friends, this is Nifty Analysis for the day 25th of April 2022. Last week we witnessed heavy buying as well as heavy selling in last 2 days, Thursday and Friday. So we were keeping our view that it is a sell on rise and we are on the final leg of the sell-off that is happening. Okay, and we have reminded that the safe traders have exited the positions, while the risky continue to hold their 50% of the position that had been uh, taken at 18,050 to that of 18,000 odd levels. We continue to remain the same that sell-on rise is still continuing, and we are looking for another opportunity to drive it downside. So what has happened on Friday, the last trading session, was that we had a massive sell-off, and the prior to that particular day, Thursday, we had hit the high of 17,414. So in the last video, we have mentioned that we will re-enter shorts at 17,450 to that of 17,500. And it so happened that we had heavy selling coming from 17,414. Now, is this the end of this particular upside that we have seen, and we will drill it down further downside? Well, I believe that the kind of volatility that we are seeing the last two sessions, that is on Thursday and Friday, clearly suggests that we still are in the counter trend on the upside. The only thing that has pushed our focus is on that if we were to break down this particular level, that is around 17,040, we were to break down this particular level, then we have to believe that the uptrend is complete. We had started moving down from 17,414 itself rather than on from 17,450 that we were expecting. Okay, so we will re-enter the short once we get a close below 17,041 to drive it on the downside. The most likely view that we are looking out for is a bounce from 17,120. So Monday morning 17,120 is the level from where we will get another bounce on the upside. So if we were to look at the closely observe this particular pattern that is unfolding, it is still the counter trend on the upside that is happening. And the only thing that has changed is, like, if in case we are bouncing from 17,120, then we will have the move not stopping at 17,450 or 17,500. Instead, we will be moving all the way towards 17,600 levels. So we are closely watching out for bounce towards 17,600 in the upcoming week to re-enter a short. And once we get a shot, that next leg will be taking closer towards the 16,200 to that of 16,150 odd levels. So we are waiting for that particular level to trigger or the levels of 17,040 to be breached on the closing basis. Either way, we are going to look out for opportunities go short rather than on to take a long trade. And for the risky traders, they need not change any stop loss. They can still continue to drive it on the downside for 18,050 as the stop loss. Kindly remember that in case if you're playing with the puts, please do ensure that we will be looking out for the May month end of put wherein we are most likely to go and test 16 odd levels once again, and that will complete the structure of the bear market in total. Okay, so this is it for this particular Monday with regards to the Nifty. Now let us pull the chart of the Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty is little different. Every time we have been saying that these two charts are completely in having their own charted moves. So if you were to look at the Bank Nifty is concerned, now we are going back on our analysis that we will get 37,200 bounce. So if you were to look at the reason is because every time the Bank Nifty has been drifting lower and lower and lower. in both the last two sell-off, and this is the last sell-off that we are going to witness. So we do not expect any major bounce to happen in Bank Nifty is concerned. In case if we are lucky, we will get a bounce towards this particular 37,200 mark, but that is not guaranteed for. So the moment we get any short-term bounce, that is on Monday, Tuesday, whenever there's a bounce of 300, 400 points, every bounce will be an opportunity to go short. And taking a positional view with 1 month forward, that is May month contracts for the shorts, with keeping the stop loss at 37,500 is the ideal trade that we are looking out for, and the target is somewhere close to 32,000 on the downside for the upcoming month. So this is with regards to the Bank Nifty, while Nifty will see bounces, very sharp bounces, and the Bank Nifty on the other hand will be drifting lower and lower. So in case we get an opportunity to get short into this particular indices, please do get into the shorts with the objective of driving it towards the end of month of May. Yeah. So this is it for the day. As to do stay connected in the group in case of something very important, I'll let you know in the group. Thank you so much for watching this video. We'll get connected on Wednesday. Thank you.